Hi, my name is Erin Shaw. I'm park naturalist with Cedar Creek State Park. I'm planting a garden in my backyard this year. Seedlings are easy to transplant. You just got to be careful with the roots and try to water from the bottom up if you can. So here I'm using a cookie tray and I've got water in the bottom. So these are marigold seedlings. They actually germinated in a cup of water, and then I moved them to this egg carton. I do water them from the bottom up, and I rotate them around the house and different windowsills to keep them in the sun. And I also rotate them back and forth this way because they'll start to lean towards the sun and you want them to stand straight up. So after they get to this stage, you just take a spoon and make a hole where you want to put it, and then you're going to scoop it out of here, being really careful with the roots, and just place it in the soil like that. You'll want to firm it up a little bit, but not too much. And again, I'm watering from the bottom up. So that's it. These are the tomato seeds that I planted. At the same time I germinated the marigolds. They do have a bottom tray. I do water them from the bottom up. I move them around. As you can see, they have not germinated yet. I have not given up hope. So what I'm gonna do to try to get them going is I put them on a low heat heating mat, which I have plugged in here. Be sure you're not getting water on the mat here. So, and then I'm gonna cover them with a piece of cellophane to kind of keep the humidity in, and we'll hope that these sprout here soon. Once these seedlings get a little bit bigger, I'll show you how to harden them off, and then we'll move them outside. We'll put a few in pots on the back porch, and I'll put a few in the raised beds.